So next, other domain.
Love my pet. Love my pet.
Love my pet, right?
Only LUB.
Oh, this way, right? Dot in. Okay. So this is smart traveler. Okay. So logo is done. Bangalore, Hyderabad. This is the location, right? Okay. Come to smart traveler. Explore our services. This is the tourist services. Okay. This content is made in AI what? ChatGPT. So here logo is there. Why here in not making? Okay. What else? So how many blog you done? Top 5 must visit travel spots in Hyderabad. 10 blog you done. Okay. So what is the primary keyword here? Travel spots in Hyderabad, right? No, no. What is the primary keyword? Main keyword on this blog? This blog post. So everyone visit this screen, right? So here, which is the primary keyword for this blog? Places to visit in Hyderabad. But high headings different is the travel spots in Hyderabad is there. Okay, next. Okay, let's see how many times you're using these keywords. Okay, just I copy this one. Okay, this blog is indexed or not? You already done search console, right?
Yeah.
This blog is indexed or not? Indexed. Okay, let me check this indexed or not. Okay. Here it is indexed. See here, this is a domain. Main domain is indexed. This thing is not indexed. I think. Okay. Okay. Let me check this one. So you need to remove this one. See, you need to correct these mistakes. Okay. And this blog is not still indexed. Okay. I need to index. I will tell you how to index this blog. Okay. Contact. This is the number. Okay. So you created Google My Business profile. You created Google My Business profile. Okay. So spelling mistake is there. Okay. So you've done on pages you also for all the pages. Okay. Save image. Where is the on page? On pages you are including image also, right? You need to optimize image also, right? But here, save image. See here, Excel photo is there. We need to rename this photo. Okay, because image SEO also part of SEO only. Okay. And next thing is here also same thing. There is a footer. Where is the footer? This is the footer, or you need to build any footer? This is the footer. Huh? We need to create some footer, okay? Like a 4-column footer, like that, okay? For example, see, this way you can create at least 3-column to 4-column footer you need to create. Okay, here four columns. Here the location is there. So you need to create this kind of footer. If you okay this footer, you can continue on this. Okay. So social media pages is created or not? Still not. Facebook personal profile is created. Okay. Love my pet. We remove this bold one. Okay. So you need to use bold here, not here. Okay. This is yours. This is your logo. Again, see here. We need to optimize this one also. Okay. This is the block creation. What's your primary keyword on this block? See the title here. It's a very, very long title. See, don't use this kind of title. Title should be only 55 characters only. So don't use this kind of long titles. And see here, very long title. And there is no love my pet shop have. There is no primary keyword. So at least target one primary keyword. You already done keyword research, right? So try to target one primary keyword. Okay. So we already done for in your batch. You already done SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and search console, keyword research, site audit, and competition analysis, WordPress. Okay, remaining thing is we need to start Google My Business. Okay, next after that, SMM, social media marketing, we will start. Okay, so Google Business Profile is the new name. Google My Business is the old name. Okay. So any other doubt is there? On-page SEO, off-page SEO. On-page SEO, how many things we can do? On-page SEO. What are the things? Like a title. Next. Heading. Next. Okay. Content optimization. Okay. This keyword and content optimization both are almost same one. Okay. Description we need, right? Next, what are the things? Other things? Image that should be optimized. Okay. Next. Title is there, heading is there, description is there. Next. So heading we can use H1 tag, right? Okay, one H1 tag is compulsory, but if you're using H2 and H3 also, it's fine. Okay. Next is keyword optimization. Okay. Keyword optimization in the sense, what are the keyword optimization is? That means how to optimize the keyword, where to optimize the keyword. We have a primary keyword, okay, secondary keyword also. So we need to optimize the right way. Okay, this keyword. Secondary keyword. Okay, we can use, so okay, primary keyword, we must use the H1 tag. H1. Secondary keyword, we need to use H2. Okay. Any other things is missing? Content length. How many words we need? Any particular page or particular blog post, how many words we need to write? At least we need to write 800 words. Okay. Any other thing is there? So which plugin you are using on page SEO? Yeah, one more important thing is internal link. How many you done internal link? And we need to give a external link for a better practice in Google. Okay. External link also. Okay. Any other things is missing? So check out what plugin you used in SEO, especially on-page SEO, and check out what are the missing things is there. Okay. And next thing is on-page you done, right? So this is for referral class only, reference only. Okay. So what are the types of, first of all, what is off-page SEO? Backlinks. So creating backlinks, that is a major process of off-page SEO. Okay. Okay, what kind of backlinks we can create? How many types of backlinks we have? Direct submission is there. Next. Sorry? Guest post, we have. Any other thing? Article submission. Yeah. Next, PDF is there. That means presentation. Same. PDF submission. Infographics. Comment. Comment posting. Next. Press release. Any other thing? I will explain what is the important thing in backlinks later. Okay. See, this is you practiced. Okay, but I will explain which is the major things right now we are using. Okay. Any other thing missing is there? So anything is missing is there, you need to submit tomorrow. Okay, what are the remaining thing is missing here also and here also. Okay. Sorry? Image submission. Any other thing? Video submission. Any other? See, these are the theoretical things you're telling, but you need to practice lot. Okay, so many things is there, you need to practice lot. And Search Console, you already know, right? What is Search Console? Search Console is a webmaster tool. We need to submit our website in Search Console only. And the keyword research already done. This class is already done. Site audit also you already done. Okay. And competition analysis. See, competition analysis and keyword research almost similar only. We need to do competition analysis also and keyword research also before starting our work. Okay. And next thing is WordPress. Already we done WordPress, but we're just using theme and something to make the content. Let's see how this performing. That means this website how the performing in future. Okay, let me check one day by day. Okay, how it is performing. And next thing is, so we need to start. Already you done WordPress designing. We need to start Google My Business. Okay, so what is Google My Business? Any idea? So that is a majorly we call the local SEO. What is local SEO? So anybody searching? Yeah, tell me.
Starting nearby.
Okay, nearby results. Any other things? Nearby results in map. So most of the cases they will search it in a doctor near me, dentist near me, like that. Okay. Okay. Nearby results, map results. Then we can generate leads there in Google My Business. Okay. We can generate leads. Any other? We can build our brand reputation also. Okay. So most of the cases, people or students, they will check first reviews. Then only they will join. Okay. Reputation also. Any other thing? So if you need to create a local SEO, that is local SEO profile, what you need first? We need one what we need? We need to create a website first. Okay, signboard. Next. Signboard, you know, right? Website, signboard, and proof of your business. So these things we need to create your Google business profile. See, this is the old name. Google My Business is the old name. New name is Google Business Profile. Okay. So we need to start this Google My Business or Google Business Profile. We need to start. Okay. So everything you know, right? This things, everything you done, right? Start this one.